Hello, my name is Fran Mesa. Okay, the art of teaching workshop. The topic is listening and speaking. The recommended level in class is B1 because the student can communicate and identify sentences. Class development time 2 hours. Objectives: select and organize a series of activities that can mimic, simulate foreign language situations. Analyze sentences in real time and identify their meanings. Identify spoken words. Handle and interpret basic language sentences. Outcomes: be able to communicate at a basic level of the language. Manage an extensive vocabulary. Demonstrate that the student can interpret words and sentences correctly. Methodology: in speaking, they will be shown several images of places, and the student will have to choose an image. Then they imagine an event by doing it and then interpret a story. To do this, first they will have to choose a group of people to interpret it. Second, they will have to practice and listen to their partner to answer the question or argument. Third, they will have to add it out in class. Listening, they will be shown a recording which a group of people are communicating with each other. The students will have to sharpen their hearing to know what they are talking about. After they will have to explain, the student will have to analyze and describe what happened in the story. The student will have to write on their notebook. Assessment to check student progress. To evaluate speaking, each student will be asked to say a short phrase aloud. To evaluate listening, each student will be shown a recording and will be asked to translate on a notebook sheet. Thank you. Hey guys, my name is Fran Mesa. I'm a future English teacher. I'm a student in Licenciatura of English from Secar. And now I will give you a small explanation of class. In the first place, it must be taken into account that the foundations are delayed so that the students can carry out their work. Okay, to start the class, the students will have to watch a series of videos. Each one will have a duration of 1 minute. The first video is about two people who are talking at the mall. Son dos personas que están hablando en el centro comercial. The second video is about three people who are talking on phone to find an apartment. Son dos personas que están hablando en un teléfono para encontrar un apartamento. Okay. The third video is about three people who are talking at the laundry. Son tres personas que están hablando en una lavandería. Okay. When they have seen all videos, they will have to make a group with their classmates to do a performance of chosen video. After they have finished acting, I will take a note of the failures, good jobs, and negligence of the activity to qualify. Okay, finally, I will show them a video and only audio only. They can tell me what they understood on notebook sheet. Es un video que no tiene palabras aquí, solamente solo audio. Y los estudiantes tendrán que decirme qué entendieron del video. Ok, eso es todo. Gracias. Thank you so much.